Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make Ghibli art. First, let's explore the enchanting world of Ghibli's visual style. It's all about capturing a sense of wonder and nostalgia. We'll focus on the key elements that make Ghibli art so unique, like its vibrant natural settings and expressive characters. You'll want to have some basic art supplies ready, such as pencils, paper, and watercolors, to begin your creative journey. To truly capture the Ghibli aesthetic, think about soft, muted color palettes. These colors evoke a dreamlike quality that is characteristic of their films. Pay close attention to natural elements. Detailed trees, flowing water, and fluffy clouds are essential. When designing characters, focus on expressive eyes that convey emotion and keep their overall forms relatively simple yet distinct. This approach helps create a timeless and relatable feel. Ghibli landscapes are renowned for their depth and atmosphere. Start by using layered watercolor washes to build up your backgrounds, creating a soft, ethereal feel. Don't shy away from adding small, intricate details to foliage, rocks, and any structures you include. Remember to establish a clear foreground, middle ground, and background to give your scene a sense of vastness and immersion. This technique truly brings the world to life. Ghibli characters are deeply expressive, often conveying complex emotions through subtle facial expressions rather than exaggerated gestures. Think about how a slight tilt of the head or a gentle gaze can tell a story. Use dynamic poses to showcase their unique personalities and interactions. Most importantly, ensure your characters feel like an integral part of their environment, not just placed within it. This connection enhances the narrative.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.